Morning student, I'm Praveen Kaur, your science subject teacher for class 10. We have discussing the second chapter of biology, that is respiration. First we have going to discuss the breathing. The inhale and exhale. The inhale of oxygen and exhale of carbon dioxide, this is known as breathing. It is not a respiration, it is breathing. The respiration is a process by which we oxidize the fuel, that means glucose molecule, and byproduct form of carbon dioxide and water molecule are obtained along with the form of ATP, that is energy which is required to perform for all biological activity of cell and for the survival of life. It is not a simple process. It performed with the two way. First, that is breathing. We have inhaled the oxygen and simultaneously exhale the carbon dioxide. Further, the glucose molecule which is oxidized is by oxygen. It is controlled by the different enzymatic activity, and this respiration and process, the different enzymatic activities are performed in the matrix of mitochondria. From there, the ATP formation, that is energy formation, which is required for our life and also for the function of all biological activities of life. ATP in the form of ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate is their full form, that is cellular energy currency for the life also for the cell. And the a powerhouse organ, that is mitochondria, where this Krebs cycle is performed, because the Krebs cycle are run on the matrix of mitochondria, where the cellular respiration are performed, and the ETS, electron transfer cycle, are run on the inner mitochondrial membrane. Firstly, we have to told you that the respiration is two type. First, that is oxygen dependent, and second, that is oxygen independent. The oxygen dependent respiration is known as aerobic respiration, and oxygen independent respiration is known as anaerobic respiration. First, the glucose molecule are break down in the form of pyruvic acid, and this step is performed in cytoplasm of cell. This is known as glycolysis. And after that, the pyruvic acid broken into acetyl coenzyme A, which is 2 carbonic, and pyruvic acid 3 carbonic molecule. And this acetyl coenzyme A, which is suitable and accepted by the matrix of mitochondria, and is selective permeable to enter the mitochondrial membrane. Then the acetyl coenzyme A enters in the matrix, where the Krebs cycle are run in formation of ATP, and after that ETS run on the inner mitochondrial membrane. This is known as Krebs cycle, formation of ATP. Further, the next section of video we have told that different species have different respiratory organ for the respiration, and human respiratory organ and their explanation. Thank you.